Have you ever noticed that YouTube sometimes recommends a video about something you were just thinking about? Or something you searched for outside of YouTube? This isn't a coincidence. There's just one setting on your phone that connects everything together. Your searches, the websites you open, and even the time you spend on certain topics. And the more surprising part, this setting is most likely running right now, without you realizing it. Stay with me for just 1 minute, because once you understand what it does, you might turn it off immediately. Let's understand an important point many people don't realize. You might be using YouTube completely normally, but YouTube doesn't rely only on the videos you watch inside the app. There's a setting called Web and App Activity. This setting allows your account to record activity outside of YouTube as well. What does that mean? It means if you search for something in your browser or open websites about a certain topic, suddenly you find YouTube recommending videos about it. That's why sometimes it feels like YouTube understands you a little too well. This setting is mainly designed to improve recommendations, but at the same time, it collects all your activity in one place linked to your account. The issue isn't that the setting exists. The issue is that many people don't even know it's turned on. And if someone uses your account or you sign in with the same account on another device, all this activity becomes part of your history. If you're not comfortable with this idea, you can stop it very easily. Steps. Open Safari. Google. Sign in with your Google account. Go to myactivity.google.com. Tap your profile picture. Choose Manage your Google account. Go to Data and Privacy. Scroll down to History Settings, Open Web and App Activity. Turn the toggle off. And that's it. The setting is now stopped. After you turn this setting off, YouTube may become slightly less accurate with recommendations, because the source that was learning your interests has been stopped. So the issue isn't whether it's dangerous or safe, it's a choice. Do you prefer more accurate recommendations? Or would you rather your activity not be recorded this way? Personally, I prefer privacy, and that's why I turned it off. In the end, if this is the first time you've heard about this setting, leave a like so the video reaches more people who still don't know about it. And tell me in the comments, have you ever noticed YouTube recommending things you were just thinking about? And if you want your phone to be calmer and more private without apps and without complications, subscribe to the channel because the next video is about a setting many people leave on, and it's responsible for things happening without us noticing.